Good morning. It's a new day and we have a new letter. Today's letter is the letter C. And I have 3 letters here. They're all kind of roundish, right? They kind of all go around, but only one of them is the letter C. Can you tell me which one is the letter C? Is it the blue one, the yellow one, or the purple one? Which one is the letter C? I think it's not the blue one. What letter is the blue one? That's right, that's the letter O. What letter is the yellow one? I think I heard you say the letter C. And what letter is the purple one? Yeah, that's that letter Q, right? It's the circle with the line. So let me kind of put them in order. Look at that. So this one is almost a circle. That one's a whole circle. And this one's a circle with a line. So I told you letters are made of lines and curves, right? And sometimes those curves go into circles. So if you know how to write a Q, then you know how to write an O and a C. So let's see what we have. Let me see if I have a big C here. There's the big C. And he's almost a circle. If I closed it up like this, then it would be the letter O. Can you see that? Let me move that down a little bit. Can you see it? But if I don't close it, it's the letter C. And here's the little letter C. Remember I've been asking you if the big letters look like the little letters? Well, this little letter, looks almost exactly like the big letter, only it's a little bit, smaller, right? Let's see if I can write a C. Now I know how to make a circle, so I think I know how to make a C. So I'm going to start, go around, but then don't close it. And that's easy as that. Go around, but don't close it. There you go. You know how to do it. I'm sure you do. Now we've been singing the names of our friends. So the friend that starts with C is Christopher. And that's just like the Cookie Monster song, because C is for cookie and C is for Christopher. So can we sing it? C is for Christopher, that's good enough for me. C is for Christopher, that's good enough for me. C is for Christopher, that's good enough for me. Oh, Christopher, Christopher, Christopher starts with C. There's his C. And I have some other things that start with C too. It seems like every day when we do a letter, I find something to eat. So look what I found today. You remember that, right? When we talked about plants, what part of the plant is the carrot? Is it the flower? No. Is it the stem? Does it grow like that and the flower grows here? No. Is it a leaf? No. It grows under the ground. Do you remember what that part's called? That's right, the root. So carrot starts with C, but it also makes me remember what we learned about plants. Carrot. And cat, of course. My cat was just running around in the basement. And here's a picture of a cat. Cat is for C. And I said, is this something to eat? No, this is a car. What do you do with a car? That's right, you play with it. Do you play with carrots? No, you eat carrots. And then look what I have. Cookies. Let's see, I have 3 things. And 2 of them are for eating. Which 2 are for eating? That's right, carrots and cookies. Which is the healthy choice? Cookies? No. Carrots, a healthy choice, but cookies are the fun choice. And they're both yummy. I do like both of them. But it's better to eat more carrots than cookies. And what's the thing we can't eat? That's right, the car. But so if I did it like this in a group, those are the things you can eat, and that's the thing you can't eat. But what happens if I went like this? What do these 2 have that's the same about them? Do you notice? They're both what? What color? Orange, right. Which one's longer? Remember we talked about longer and shorter? Which one's longer? Yeah. carrots longer. Oh, can the car drive on the carrot? Whee! Almost like down the hill. Ooh. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about the letter C again. We did learn about it, but now we're reviewing, and we're going so fast, one letter a day, because you're all very smart. So look for C's and look for things that start with C and try to make C's with things. I don't know if I could find sticks that could make a C. They'd have to be really round, but I'm going to look for something today that I can make a C out of, and I hope you do too.